Hello, you beautiful succubus of a people. I know, you haven't seen my face before, but now you are, so, you're welcome for that. But today I wanted to do something a bit different than just playing a game. I know this game useful to me when I got the Quest, and I think I did this the first day that I got it. And yes, say hello to the microphone. Okay. Now, it's a really simple thing. I'm pretty sure you've seen this before in other channels do it. Am I copying? No, I'm just recycling. Take my word on that. Now, if you want to make hand straps, you can. If you want to buy the more expensive but better versions of hand straps for the Quest 2, you could do that as well. But I decided to go for the cheap route because I'm broke at the moment. But so I decided to do the best way that I knew, the cheapest way, and here's what I did. Yes, there are other tutorials that teach you how to do it. You could go watch their videos, but hopefully, you could learn a bit from me because I'm gonna try to do it quick. Try to do it quick like that, not wasting time. So let us begin. But first, let me show you how it looks. Boom, looks something like that. Let me just. Okay, you see, and this is how it works. Interesting. But for real though, this does work pretty well. As you see, it doesn't really fall, and you can throw fake objects at stuff without it actually being thrown away. Yeah, it's a really simple thing to make. I'm gonna teach you. I'm gonna stop wasting time. There's probably gonna be a time code in the description or the comments, that section, to when this all started, with me skipping this talking. But yes, so it looks like this now, but it originally looked like this. Hair in my mouth. So the first thing you're pretty much just gonna need is one, your controller. Two, you're gonna need one of these, which is like a loom band. Why aren't you focusing? Yeah, it's a loom band. You're gonna need one for each hand. The more you put in, the tighter it is, the better it is, the harder it is. Is that how that works? Something like that, something good. But take a look. I'm gonna skip talking now. I'm sorry. I am sorry. So one, you're gonna have your controller. Two, you're gonna have a loom band. I have two here, so it's extra tight. And it's really simple. You just take it like this, go like that. You push up. This thing slides out like that. Take this thing, you pull it out. That's good. All right. Now once you've gotten that, what you're actually gonna do is you're gonna take this. You're gonna put it under like that. So this part is here. All right. You're gonna take your rubber band or your loom band, put it under so it looks like that, right? Okay. You're basically sort of gonna sandwich it a little bit so there's a hole which you can put this through. Take this part, you put it through like so, and now you have it like this, right? Boom. Okay, so it should look like that. So you're basically gonna just go like this. Oop, mistake. You're gonna go like that. Okay, so it looks something like this. All right, that should be good enough. I'm gonna place this in like that. All right, let me just, this might take you might have to push hard. Well, not too hard to where you break the thing, but like that. All right, and there you go. You have your own homemade, well, I wouldn't, yeah, hand thing. And that should do you good. So yeah, that was just a little tutorial from me, which I hope you enjoyed. But yeah, that's how you get it like this. So you just repeat that with the other steps so that you have two. And now you can throw stuff at whoever you want in game. You can release your anger now. It's okay, I understand. Where we are in times where people are angry. I understand you. You hear me? I understand, son. So it's fine. You can now release that hate which you have in your heart. You can release that anger. Everything that you need to be released. Everything can be released, my son. Dude, why is my hair messed up? But seriously, I thank you for watching. Whoever's watching this.